Today's cloud file services were not built for today's workflows. Some of them don't even offer SMB, much less multi-protocol support. Others tie performance directly to provisioned storage, meaning you have to pay for capacity you don't need in order to get the performance you do. Nearly all of them charge you for provisioned capacity, whether you're using all of it or not. And byte for byte, that provision capacity can run anywhere from 3 to 10 times the cost of the same storage services in your data center. What this means for your apps is that moving them from on-prem to cloud can significantly raise both the complexity and the cost. It's no wonder most file-driven workflows are stuck in the data center even now. Finally, there's a cloud-native file data service that offers all the features and performance of on-premises storage at a fraction of the cost of any other cloud option. With an elastic architecture that directly leverages cloud-native resources, EC2 compute, network, and object storage, Native Qumulo delivers a full-featured file system that gives you all the flexibility you expect from AWS. A fully customizable, multi-protocol solution that uses cloud compute and object storage to create a dynamically scalable platform. Because it's cloud native, you can just reconfigure it for capacity and performance as your workloads change, without impacting existing connections or active services. CNQ also delivers the same enterprise data security and management services you need on-prem: multi-protocol access, snapshots, replication, integration with your own enterprise Active Directory services, and compliance with critical regulatory frameworks. On top of that, Native Qumulo brings disruptive economics to file services on AWS. Native Qumulo hot pricing for active workloads starts at just $24 per terabyte per month, while pricing for Native Qumulo Cold offers archive-class storage for as little as $8 per terabyte per month. When infrastructure costs are factored in, you'll pay $25 to $50 per terabyte per month for CNQ Hot and $10 to $15 per terabyte per month for CNQ Cold. We're starting from an empty tenant on AWS. Native Qumulo is deployed via Terraform and starts with 4 EC2 instances. You choose the size and configuration that best fits your workload. And if you're not sure, you can always change it later. A full deployment takes 6 minutes or less. There are no volumes to set up, and no complicated networking to configure. Cloud native means there's no need to pre-provision capacity. Just create or move data onto CNQ, and it will automatically expand to any size: petabytes, exabytes, whatever you need. If you don't need that much space anymore, just clear off your old data or replicate it to Native Qumulo Cold for long-term archival. You'll only pay for used capacity for only as long as you use it. Cloud native also means that capacity is disaggregated from performance. If your workload needs more throughput, just add more nodes to the cluster. If you need to increase IOPS, you can switch out your EC2 instances with a different configuration. This instance is putting out 9 gigabytes per second, but we need more. We're going to add 8 new nodes to the 4 we already have, and watch our throughput increase from 9 to almost 28 gigabytes per second. We didn't have to add more capacity, and we didn't affect existing clients. We can even keep going. Native Qumulo can scale throughput up to a terabyte or more per second if you really need it. Now we'll take our Native Qumulo instance back down to 4 nodes, but we're going to replace those i4i 8x large hosts with i4i 2x large hosts to save on costs while our workload is in a quiet phase. Through all of this, the file data on the service remains intact, and the service itself stays online and active for existing clients. Compare that with some of the other cloud file services where you have to pay for unused provision capacity and performance upfront. You can't scale down to save on cost, and if you make a provisioning mistake, you have to redeploy and forklift migrate your data. Letting you scale up and down as you go means Native Qumulo eliminates the risk of guessing what you'll need down the road. To add capacity, just add data. If you need to increase throughput, add more nodes. If you need to increase IOPS, reconfigure the nodes you're using. And when you're done, scale back down again. You'll pay for the capacity and level of service you use while you use it. Cloud native makes it elastic. Qumulo makes it simple. Native Qumulo delivers the performance you need, the enterprise features you expect, and at a price point to match your on-prem storage. To learn more about Cloud Native Qumulo, visit qumulo.com or contact your Qumulo representative today.